Let's start. Navigate to uniswap.org and select Launch App. Then ensure we've selected Swap in the top left-hand corner. Let's make sure our wallet is connected. We're assuming you use MetaMask. Now, you'll have to decide how much capital you want to place in this pool. Make sure you have an equal amount of DAI and Ethereum in your wallet that totals at least your target capital investment. You will also need to have some Uniswap governance coins, or Uni, as well as enough additional Ethereum to facilitate all the fees and transactions that take place on the Ethereum blockchain. Here, in case you've not done it before, we'll swap or convert Ethereum to DAI. In our example, we're just going to convert a small bit. Your capital swap may vary. You may already have the DAI. We're just walking through this example in case you've never done this before. I'll commit this amount. Then I'll select Swap, and then I'll select Confirm Swap. From there, I'll assume that you know how to confirm all the fees and gas fees in MetaMask. And once you've received your final confirmation, the next place you'll navigate to is the Pool tab, also on the top left. This is where you'll add your capital to the liquidity pool. Remember, 50% DAI and 50% Ethereum. We'll select Add Liquidity. You can see Ethereum is already selected, and now we're going to go ahead and select DAI as the other token. When you do this, this will obviously contain the amount of capital that you want to invest. In our example, we're just going to run through a small example and just notice how Uniswap balances everything out 50-50. So we put this amount of DAI, and the equal amount in Ethereum is calculated. We'll select Supply, and after we confirm all of our MetaMask prompts for fees and gas fees, we will have supplied capital to the liquidity pool. Now we're going to navigate to this website and make sure our wallet is connected. Once we confirm that everything is connected, we'll be able to select the Stake button. And then, once in, we'll select Index Pool. This is the index pool for Uniswap. This is the only way you can get into the final index pool and balancer right now. We're using a sample from one of our developers, but right now, if you've added your tokens and you've added liquidity to the liquidity pool, you'll see your balance right here. To stake this balance, tap the Stake Tokens button. This will open the Stake Your Tokens screen. On the right here in red is the max amount you can stake. If you click at all, that max amount will go in on this line. If you just want to type in an amount, you can type that in as well. Then press Stake. Confirm all of your MetaMask approvals for fees and gas fees, and when you refresh, you will now see a new amount under Currently Staked. What you've just done is initiated the process of yielding the token that you will need to enter into the balancer pool. As you yield coins, you'll see that eligible amount under the Rewards Available heading, right here. To claim those rewards, select Claim Rewards. They will be moved into your wallet, where you can use them later to enter the balancer index pool. You can always unstake whenever you want. All you need to do is press this button. The amount you unstake just has to be less than the balance you see here in red. Now about Beast Mode. To run Beast Mode, where each time you use it, you give the yield formula the impression that you have 5% more than you actually have to yield from. When you press the Beast Mode button, this will open up this screen where you can see all the information about Beast Mode, from how much it will cost in Uni to the coin balance the next Beast Mode will use to calculate your yield. As I mentioned, each Beast Mode uses Uni governance coins, or Unis, so make sure you have enough Uni coins in your wallet to participate in Beast Mode. Also, since you can only execute Beast Mode once per hour, there's a countdown timer right here. If you'd rather be reminded away from your computer screen, we've created a Beast Mode Facebook Messenger bot that will alert you every hour and calculate the latest gas fees before you do it. One note, if you unstake, you will lose all of your Beast Mode boosts. And that's it. That's how you stake tokens in the index pool, claim these tokens for the balancer index pool, unstake them if you want, and, while they're staked, how you run beast mode in the Uniswap Index Pool.